Hello again, we're here to do a second video on the waste oil separation and transfer tank. Now that we've got it installed on site, we're going to go over a few things. Improvements that we've made to it. We were finding that the small filter that was in the main pump line here was plugging up with leaves and grass and that kind of thing that was in the oil. So first solution to it was, inside the tank on the main line we put another filter in, a screen type filter that'll stop that kind of thing. We also decided to go one step farther as well, and in the trough we add a finer mesh screen, a very smooth one with smaller holes, so we can just pick stuff up off of this screen as well. So here we are on this installation. We had to customize the outlet a bit. We ended up putting the outlet of the main pump here going outside to a big holding tank. This line here is an inlet coming from this pump on the wall, that this hose goes into their oil bin that they drain cars directly into. So that gets pumped into the tank and gets the separation process to clean out all the sediment and water and all that kind of thing before this line pumps it back into clean oil back into the main tank. So now we're going to put some jugs in it, and you can see how it works. Okay, now we're going to show you. We're actually going to get to try it with real oil this time in this video. So, jugs just get dumped in, the caps go with them, go on the holder above. The divider area here, of course, is made for the smaller ones. Then we get into bigger 4-liter jugs. In this area. Some of them have caps apparently, some of them don't. Now the jugs can sit for as long or as short a time as you want. The longer they sit, of course, the better they drain. Anyway, now we just pull the jugs back out after they've drained out, throw the caps back on. The ones that do have caps, they go in an approved bag here with a holder. And the jugs themselves will go to recycling as well. Just throw them all back. The process, as you can see, is pretty quick. Even the small ones, we'll just throw on the lids, put them all back in, and that's that. One other thing we do have is a way to deal with 5-gallon containers. So we're going to grab this 5-gallon bucket, take the lid off. There's a screen here for all kinds of the oddball containers, big jugs and all that kind of thing. So they can just empty out into that position. And that's pretty well it for this.